Peace and blessings, everyone. Welcome to the Humble Servant Homestead, guys. Today I am here. I'm here before you all to talk a little bit about the seed giveaway that we entered in one of our videos. Now I know it has been a long time since we came before you all and just give away something, okay? And so right here today we have three items that we will be carrying in our stores. Now, I want to talk a little bit about these items right here. So this one right here, guys, is the Caribbean seed pack that we put together. And right over here is the American seed pack that we also put together. Okay, now this one, we're going to talk a little bit about it in just a moment. So coming back to the Caribbean seed pack that we have, we're going to talk a little bit about all the different seeds that we have inside of the pack. And now remember, these are some of the things that we want to give away to I say 4 lucky subscriber or 4 blessed subscriber out there. We want to share some of these seeds with you all. All right, so right here we have the Humble Servant Homestead pumpkin that is in the Caribbean starter pack. The broadleaf callaloo, guys. Yes, I want to share some of those seeds with you all as well. And as you all know, the Scotchy baby. Yes, so we do have some Scotchy babies that we also going to be giving away as well. And also okra, the jambalaya okra that we grow here on the homestead as well. And so right here we also have some sorrel, okay, that we're going to be giving away as well. And that is also known as what's that name?
Hibiscus.
Hibiscus, yes. Or roselle, also known as roselle, guys. Okay, so that right there is our Caribbean
Starter
pack. Yes, now I am excited, guys, to share some of this with you all. Okay, so with the American starter pack, what we have inside of here is the jambalaya okra, right? We also have the Jimmy red corn. Now, guys, me personally, I love these corn right here. Remembering them when I was little coming up and being able to grow them here on the homestead, I am happy about that. Now we do have our yellow straight neck squash, and we have that in the pack as well. And right here we have the rattlesnake pole bean, guys, and also the Georgia collard. Now, a lot of these right here that you see, we do have videos pretty much showing you all how we go about planting them. And that's even one of the exciting part about it, just being able to share that knowledge with you all out there and how to go about growing these seeds here. Now we're going to talk about this one for a lot of our people out there that may have limited space to grow produce, or limited space to grow food. Right here is one of the pack that we have, which is the 3 sister pack. Okay, now that 3 sister pack is made up of your pumpkin and also your corn and also your bean, guys. Now I do want to go ahead and maybe do a video on the 3 sisters, just to kind of give you all the idea and the method of how to go about planting the 3 sister crop. Now, I would say last year I did show you all a little bit about how to do it when I planted these Jimmy red corn down there in the bottom garden. I did show you all how to go about planting them with the corn and the bean, planting them together. Now the only thing that was missing within that line up there was the pumpkin. Okay, and so they all have their different benefit when you plant them together like that. Now what you want to plant first is your corn.
We'll go through that.
No? Okay.
Oh, no.
All right, so that would be for another day. Wife said, Not today. All right, guys. So, nonetheless, we have the three sister crop.
Pat. And let me stop you. I said not today because we're actually going to be more hands-on in the garden. This garden season, there will be more in-depth hands-on videos to show you guys, especially those that may be limited on space. We're super excited to bring you guys some videos showing you that you can still be successful growing your own food and in abundance in a small space. So look forward to those videos.
Look forward to them, guys. All right. And so that is pretty much it right there, guys, for the new items that we will be carrying, yes, in our store. Now, that is one of the things I want y'all to go ahead and just check the store out for more of these items right here. If you want to carry them or grow them on your homestead or at your home. We have quite a bit of seeds. Now, some of the stuff we are sold out of, but that's for another day.
Well, everything you have here on the table is actually in stock.
Okay.
And I'll make sure that the link is in the description box for them to check out if they're interested in some seeds.
Okay. All right, guys. So what we're going to go ahead and go over right now today is pretty much the question.
The rules.
The rules.
Yeah.
Okay. The rules of engagement. Pretty much, the questions that you will need to be able to answer to be able to grab some of these seeds right here. Now, you need to be a subscriber to the channel. Okay. Well.
How would they know about the giveaway if they're not a subscriber?
Well,
so technically, yeah.
Yeah, that's true. Well,
how many prizes are we giving away, first of all?
So I think 4? We're gonna be giving away
2 4. Do 2 of each.
2 of each?
Yeah, and that'll give you 6 winners.
Okay, 2 of each. All right.
So 2 Caribbean packs, 2 American seed starter packs, and 2 of the 3 sisters starter packs.
Okay.
What do you think?
All right. And so, guys, that is how we're going to go ahead and do it. Now, we have about 3 questions that we want you all to be able to answer to be able to receive your seeds, because the growing season is up on us. It's coming. So we want y'all to have these seeds ready, available to plant outside in the ground. Now, question number 1. So we have some garden areas here on the homestead. Hope I'm not giving them away, but what do we call them here on the homestead?
We have 2 main areas that we refer to where we plant majority of our crops. What are the names of those 2 areas? What do we refer to them as?
Right. Okay.
That's question number 1.
Question number 1. Now, question number 2. What are one of the main fertilizer that we use here on the homestead? Okay. What are one of the main fertilizer that we use on the homestead? So that is question number 2. Now, the bonus question number 3. What was one of the plants that survived the Arctic frost here on the homestead? Okay, so that's question number 3, guys. All right, so that is pretty much it right there.
And they have to answer all 3 questions in order to win.
Yes, you have to be able to answer all 3 questions to be able to win these seeds right here. All right, and so
let me just say, I'm going to be monitoring the chat once this video is posted, and I will acknowledge the winners according to numbers. So as the answers come in and you have them correct, I will allot you a number. And then that's how we'll know when we've reached our max of 6 winners.
All right, sounds good to me.
Okay.
All right, guys, and so that is pretty much it right there. I know it has been well overdue to be able to just come on in and just give a big thank you to you guys.
Absolutely.
A big thank you to all of our subscribers, the ones that are subscribed and the ones that are not. So I just want to say thanks to all of you all out there, just for coming along with us. Now, like I said, guys, why am I so excited about subscribers and all that different kind of stuff? Because the more people that is able to get some of the little knowledge that we do know here on the homestead to be able to benefit you all. Now, this whole channel was pretty much created to be able to put out the information to you guys so y'all can be successful at growing and even taking you all. Guess what, guys, I am learning as well. Don't think that I'm learning as well. So I'll get out there, whether it may be planting a new crop or something out there in the garden. I am learning about that plant, just taking mental note about that plant. What do I need to do next year different with this plant? Because I could plant a garden this way and you can plant a garden that way and you still get the same result out of that plant when you plant it. Now, I may fertilize with something different and you may fertilize with something different, but I know what worked here on the homestead for us as far as planting, and that is, hey, we do use a lot of
Hey, okay, we're gonna wrap this up.
You thought I was about to, I'm not gonna give that away. No, I'm not gonna give away that answer. No, I'm not. So guys, just go ahead, log in your answer down there in the comment box below, and we will let you all know, the winners accordingly, guys. And
but we're all winners.
Yes,
we're all winners.
That is, yes, we all, yes. And you know what? I'm not gonna put that out there, but nonetheless, guys, hey, grow something.
That's it.
Like I said, grow some food. Grow some food. Hey, you just look at what's going on around us now. Okay, look at what is going on around us with the pricing of food, the pricing of eggs and all that, which is in the same category. That is a food. Guys, if you can get something, some birds, some seeds, and plant a garden, raise some chickens, do that. Okay? If you're working 8 hours a day, let me kind of break it down a little bit for y'all. You all working 8 hours a day to get up and go to work. If you're raising a chicken or raising, maybe say you have 4 hens out back. Hey, all you have to do when you get up in the morning, make sure they have proper shelter. You get up in the morning, it won't take you nothing but probably about 5 minutes or so to go ahead and give them some feed and give them some water, and you are off to work. And when you come back home, hey, just stick your head in the coop. Just make sure that everybody is doing fine. All right, so just kind of keep that in mind. I know it is maybe extras to put on your plate, but guys, when you have that food, hey, it worth it. All right. So nonetheless, I just want to say thanks to each and every one of you all out there for stopping by the Humble Servant Homestead. And as always, peace and blessings to each and every one of you all out there. And remember, guys, keep a smile on your face. Be happy, be blessed, and stay strong. Happy growing season.